How about mouth-watering, creamy, delicious, and really easy banana pudding? It's such a classic dessert, and so many of us love it from our childhood, but this is stop number 23 on my 50 video series, making every state dessert in America. So let me know in the comments what state you think has banana pudding as the state dessert. The recipe is linked in the description if you would like to try it at home. And before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for new recipes. We're gonna start with the pudding. So we're gonna bring some milk and heavy cream to a simmer, and that's gonna get poured into a mixture of sugar, cornstarch, egg, and egg yolk. So when this milk mixture comes to a simmer, you wanna put a couple ladlefuls in first, whisking constantly to make sure you're bringing the egg yolks gradually up in temperature. Then you're gonna return that mixture to the pot while whisking over medium heat until it thickens to a lovely pudding texture. Pass it through a sieve just to make sure there's no curdled bits in there, and then we're gonna add in some flavorings, which in this case is just vanilla extract and some softened unsalted butter. Just whisk that until it is completely smooth, and then you want to press some plastic wrap directly on the surface to avoid a skin from forming and chill for about an hour and a half just to cool it down and let it begin to set up. Now to assemble this, we've got, of course, Nilla wafers, what else, and sliced banana. In an 8x8-inch dish, half the pudding is going to get spread on top of that, and we just repeat with more Nilla wafers, banana, the rest of the pudding. Then you can optionally add in some whipped cream, just cold heavy cream whipped with vanilla and granulated sugar. More crushed Nilla wafers, then you want to let it chill for a few hours just so it can soften up on the inside. But it's absolutely delicious, amazing for the state of Tennessee if that's what you guessed. It is a great dessert to bring back all those childhood memories or new ones if you've never had it before. Homemade pudding is really not that difficult to make, and when you layer it up with pre-made ingredients like the Nilla wafers and then you get some fresh bananas, it makes a really great and comforting nostalgic dessert. I see exactly why this is such a nostalgic popular dessert, comforting like 100%. It's a creamy, luscious pudding. You got that banana in there. The Nilla wafers get all tender, that soft, luscious flavor with the whole, that's a knockout for sure. And if you guessed in the comments, this is the state dessert for Tennessee. Once again, recipe is linked below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.